The best mechanical keyboards deliver responsive, tactile typing and gaming performance with durable switches, customizable features, and premium build quality for a superior experience. Starting at number 1, AULA F75 Pro. The AULA F75 Pro is a versatile wireless mechanical keyboard offering tri-mode connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired options, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including PCs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and gaming consoles like PS and Xbox. It supports simultaneous connection with up to 5 devices and allows seamless switching via shortcut keys or a side button. Designed for various uses such as gaming, programming, business, and multimedia, the keyboard features RGB backlighting, hot-swappable keys, programmable functions, and a rechargeable 4,000 mAh battery for extended usage. Its advanced structure includes an integrated silicone pad, PCB single-key slotting, and 5 layers of silencer filling to enhance stability, reduce noise, and provide a softer, more elastic typing experience. Equipped with pre-lubricated stabilizers and Leobog Reaper switches, the F75 Pro ensures smooth typing and a satisfying mechanical sound while supporting easy customization without soldering. Number 2. YUNZII L80. The YUNZII L80 is a versatile wireless mechanical keyboard designed for a wide range of uses, including business, gaming, education, multimedia, video editing, and everyday tasks. Crafted with an aluminum body, this ergonomic keyboard features a customizable LCD screen, capable of displaying time, GIFs, photos, battery status, connection modes, and more. It boasts vibrant RGB backlighting with over 20 dynamic modes and 1.68 million colors, supported by south-facing LEDs for enhanced illumination. The keyboard offers tri-mode connectivity via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C, allowing seamless pairing with up to 5 devices across multiple systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Its 6,000 mAh battery ensures extended usage for uninterrupted gaming or work sessions with a 1,000 Hz polling rate for lag-free performance. Additionally, the YUNZII L80 supports QMK for full customization, enabling users to remap keys, program macros, control RGB effects, and personalize the metal mechanical knob. Number 3. RK Royal KLUDGE S98. The RK Royal KLUDGE keyboard is a versatile and feature-packed device compatible with laptops, PCs, smartphones, and tablets. It offers multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.4 GHz RF dongle, and USB-C wired mode, ensuring hassle-free and stable connections. Designed for gaming, it features a top-mount design that provides superior tactile consistency, a firm feel, and noise reduction for a smooth typing experience. The keyboard is equipped with customizable RGB backlighting, hot-swappable keys, hotkeys, media keys, an integrated stand, and a rechargeable battery. Its unique knob design allows users to easily adjust volume, connection modes, backlight brightness and speed, as well as RGB modes and colors with just a twist or click. Additionally, its small built-in screen displays custom GIFs, date, connection mode, YUNZII Mac layout, battery status, and more. Number 4. Nuphy Halo75 V2. The Nuphy Halo75 V2 is a versatile and ergonomic mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and productivity. It features a high-quality aluminum alloy top shell with a revamped design and surrounding RGB backlighting at the bottom for an enhanced visual experience. This keyboard supports multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C, making it compatible with a wide range of devices such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones across macOS, Windows, Linux, Android, and iOS platforms. With the ability to connect up to 4 devices simultaneously and switch between them effortlessly, it seamlessly transitions from office tasks to gaming. The Halo75 V2 also supports QMK via firmware, enabling extensive customization of key mapping, lighting effects, and other features, unlocking limitless creative possibilities. Its compact dimensions of 12.6 x 5.31 x 129 and sleek black design make it a stylish and functional addition to any setup. Number 5. Keychron Q6 Ultra. The Keychron Q6 Ultra 8K is a premium full-size wireless custom mechanical keyboard designed for exceptional performance and versatility. Constructed with a sleek all-metal aluminum build, it offers tri-mode connectivity, including 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.3, and Type-C wired options. With an impressive 8,000 Hz polling rate in both wired and wireless modes, it ensures ultra-responsive performance and minimal input lag, making it ideal for gaming and office use. The keyboard is compatible with laptops, PCs, smartphones, and tablets, supporting seamless multitasking by connecting to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth. It features ergonomic design, hot-swappable switches, programmable keys, per-key RGB backlighting, and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 660 hours in wireless mode. Enhanced with multiple layers of acoustic foam for refined typing and the Keychron Launcher web app for easy key remapping and macro creation, the Q6 Ultra 8K is both functional and customizable.